Everyone always asks me what I do to keep my red hair color from fading, and I'm going to show you what I use and how I do it. So I use the Pallure Color Pigment Refresher Mask in the color Fiery Red, and I usually do this every 4 weeks or so. I always start on the bottom of my hair and I section it into smaller sections working up to the top of my head. So because these color masks are only made to put on previously lightened hair, I'm just avoiding my roots and only applying to my mids and ends. I personally like to use my hands rather than a brush because I'm able to use my fingers to really saturate and rub the color in. I really love using these masks because they're semi-permanent and they're infused with color retaining extracts to keep the color lasting longer and keeps your hair looking shinier. Also, if you're a mess like me, another perk is this color actually comes off the skin super easily with just a little bit of color remover. After I applied, I let it sit for at least 10 minutes and then I rinse with cool water to maintain the color. Also, vivid color is not for the weak, you guys. I have to bleach my shower every single time I color my hair. Like, look how crazy this is. But anyway, these are my results. I love them and my hair feels amazing.